What's up guys, Blade here, welcome to another video. Today is a super exciting day. You know, you can tell that I'm hyped up about it. Gabi's really hyped up about it. Gabi, what's happening today? MOT, yay! How you feeling about it?
Bit nervous. Even though I think it is anyway something that is natural in me, you know, to ride and stuff. It's been a while without riding that specific bike.
Bit nervous about riding.
You'll be fine, my little chicken.
Chicken?
It's gonna be fine. Gabi, you need to remove your chanclas. Woman, go get your boots on.
Don't say anything about my chancla. I'm gonna chancla you in the fucking face.
Right, come on you chancla monster, go get your motorcycle boots on.
Okay.
What is this I see? This is Miss Gabriella riding a BMW K75. It's the first time that Gabi's ridden the bike since February and we're on our way to get her MOT done. What's really cool about the UK is, I didn't know this until recently, is that you can actually ride the bike to an MOT station so long as it's pre-booked. So that's what we're doing right now. We're a little bit nervous if it's going to pass. We think it should. It should be fine. Like, we've done everything in our power to make it pass, so I can't think of anything in the back of my head that would make it fail. We even got like a horrifically large number plate and I'm just riding behind her just to make sure that everything's alright. There's nothing worse than having somebody riding behind you who you're worried about. That bike sounds so good with that can on it. We'll sort it out. Her mirror's just dangling a little bit. It needs to be tightened up. That's fine, no biggie. Oh my god, it's so hot. Oh, that's a Tesla Model X. Those cars are mental. Those big SUVs, they can go from like 0 to 60 in 3 seconds. They're so quick. It seems to be running pretty well though for a bike that hasn't gone since February. Alright?
Is the loneliest number that you'll ever do.
How's it going, chicken? How's it going, chicken? Poor old Gabi though, I know she absolutely hates riding pillion because there's nothing worse than being a biker and having to ride on the back of somebody else's bike because all you want to do is be in control. You're alright baby, I can feel you like sliding around.
I slide down.
Yeah, I know, I'm sorry. Calm down, you're in a hairdresser's car, Mr. TT. Woo, baby, don't touch me like that. Baby, I'm ticklish, fucker. Baby! Ooh, and then we're also, what I'm excited about seeing at P&H, they have any KTM 690 SNCRs. Sexy, sexy, sexy. Oh, I'm so excited. Ooh, look at all the pretty motorbikes. Climb aboard, honey bunny. Come on, beep beep. Fucking hell, mate, there's nothing behind you. P&H was nice, they had some good stuff on sale. I don't know what it is, I just always feel like, this is just my opinion, but I always feel slightly uncomfortable there. I really think that sometimes they lose out on customers. It's not a very welcoming environment. Like, I used to work at Destination Triumph, one of the main dealers of Triumph motorcycles and stuff in the UK. Whenever somebody walked in, it was like, Hey, how are you? Good. How you doing? Having a look? Fantastic. How can I help you? Da 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 da. Whereas I feel like in P&H, it's just like they kind of evaluate you. I don't know. I just don't like that feeling. It doesn't make for a happy bunny sale. You know what I mean? Like, I like happy bunny sales. I'm about that happy bunny life, man. What up? Filter, filter, filter fish. That's not where you're supposed to be parked. Your ass is hurting. Because you have like literally a seat the size of a fucking pack of cards. Gabi handles it so well though. She knows when to lean in corners. She knows how to position herself. Like, catch me, Jack. I'm flying. Hold me, Jack. I have like a moth flying around on the inside of my helmet. Fucking hell, baby. If we were on the Titanic, I would share my plank of wood with you. My floating plank of wood with you.
Oh, we'd let you drown.
You would let me drown? That's not very nice. You don't joke about that shit, babes. You don't joke about Titanic memes. Well, so long as I would provide you with head scratches when we were floating on the plank of wood on the sea, then you let me on. Gabi's like a cat. You scratch her head, she just basically falls asleep. You literally have such powerful full thighs, girl. High five. You have such powerful thighs. What up? It's important to tone the thighs for the grabbing situation on motorbikes. Bouncy castle! They had a bouncy castle! Fucking love bouncy castles. If I could have one outside my house, I'd definitely have a fucking bouncy castle. And it would only be for me, no one else would be allowed to get on it. I'd have a little sign saying, keep out Freddie's bouncy castle. I'd wear a fucking Burger King crown, I'd sit there. Oh, how amazing would it be? I'd probably lose my fiance though.
Whoa, we're back home. You may see that I've actually had a substantial haircut. I no longer look like a sheep man, which is always good. Isn't that right, Lolly?
Yes, that's right.
So, in honor and celebration of us actually getting the MOT on the bike, I went a bit mad. So, yeah. I think Gabi can handle like at least half of those. Gabi? Can you handle half of the beers? Yes, you can. Leo, I'm going to basically use you as a workhorse and you're going to carry the big box of beers. Okay, I'm going to harness you up and strap you up and we can just load the big Budweiser box onto your back. Okay? Are we happy with that? Are we happy with this idea? Well, we made it back. Pretty much had like half of all the beers. A bit knackered now, not gonna lie to you. Gabi is getting changed in some regard. Those who watched this video, guys, please hit the like button if you like this video. Please hit the subscriber bell as it helps you stay up to date with our content. And we'll see you in the next video. Thankfully, Gabi's bike is going to be back on the road by the end of this week, next week. We've been saying this for ages, but it's actually gotten to that point now where it's actually true for once, which is awesome. Oh my god, chocolate brownies, you fucking trying to kill me. She's trying to kill me. Alright guys, see you later. Have a good one. Bye.